Hello guys, Malin Butler Contracting, where we're doing simple better. And today I'm just waiting for my kids' baseball practice to get done here. And I just wanted to kind of jump on. I hadn't been on a live for a little bit. We've been posting a lot of content, blogs, videos, information about projects, just helpful information for our consumers out there. One of the big topics I wanted to address today is May is Water Safety Month. There's a lot of people getting in pools, building pools, maybe getting an above ground pool, filling their swimming pools up for the summer. Weather's getting warm, school's about to get out. One of the things I want to address from something I've been seeing a lot of, things I've been observing or get phone calls about, are fences around pools. There are rules, laws, and regulations that must be followed when it comes to a pool. And that's whether you have an in-ground pool, an above-ground pool. It requires some specifics when it comes to fencing. I've gotten some calls recently that some other local contractors are putting chain link fences up around pools for customers, or the customer bought chain link fencing and is trying to hire the contractor to put chain link fencing in around the pool. One of the folks that was hired skipped town or just didn't do the job, took some money, never finished the project, or only put a few posts in, left, and never came back. Some of the issues with this, in particular with this project, is you cannot use a chain link fence around a pool as a primary barrier. And the secondary barrier around the property that this customer had was also a chain link fence. Chain link fences can be climbed easily by kids, young children, and that is a safety hazard, safety concern, and it's illegal. The other thing you cannot do is have a horizontal slatted fence. So this would be like a 3-rail or a split rail style fence, something that can easily be climbed over. You must have and have to have vertical bars that are a minimum of 4 inches in width. You cannot stick a 4-inch ball through that hole. The other thing I've been seeing are some of these cattle panel, hog panel style fences that get put up, and they're real nice, welded up fences, or they're bordered with wood. Unfortunately, those are illegal as well, because they can be just easily as climbed as easily as a chain link fence can. So if you're getting a fence around a pool, if you're looking to put a pool in, please understand the laws, the risk, the liability you might be taking on as a homeowner. One, your insurance or your insurance policy may not cover that event if it was to occur because you violated a law or a policy. They may drop you from insurance if they find out about it from a inspection, if somebody comes out and does an inspection on the property. And unfortunately, what we've been finding is a lot of contractors in our area simply just don't even know the rules, regulations, laws, and they never communicate to the client, or they simply just don't know, or they don't really care to tell you because they're just trying to make a few bucks and get the job done the way you asked them to do it. So know what risk and liability you take on when you have a pool. We've got several articles about pool building, what to expect or what to plan for when you're building a pool, what's required for a pool fence. In addition to that, we also have a few contractors locally in the Bastrop County area that install pools. So we all know it's getting warm, it's pool season, it's time to enjoy some family time, hang out outside by the poolside. So just know what your laws, rules, and regulations are. And if you need a fence, be sure and call the Bastrop County experts when it comes to fencing. We have more 5-star Google reviews than any other fence contractor in Bastrop County. So call the experts. We understand and know what you need, and we're going to help you navigate through that process and make sure you don't put yourself and your family at risk and liability. I'm Alan Butler with Butler Contracting, where we're doing simple better, and we look forward to seeing you on your next project. I'm going to post a blog article right here in the notes, so be sure and check that out. It talks about all the specifics when it comes to pool fencing. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.